What is
There
up,
we
you
go.
guys? It is Parker here with DecoExchange. Y'all, we've got another great
What's up,
tutorial
y'all?
out today,
Hey,
and I just wanted to remind you guys
why
to
is this still
subscribe to our
flowing?
channel, like the video down below, and at the very least, y'all, leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Hope you enjoy.
So, y'all, we're just gonna add pipe cleaners on every other set of holes. Top, bottom, top, all the way around. So we're just adding one pipe cleaner on every row and alternating between the top and the bottom. All right. So you can see we just added one pipe cleaner in every row, alternating between the top two and then the bottom, middle, top, middle, bottom, middle, all the way around. On this frame, that's going to give us 8 twists on the outside and on the inside. All right, so this is a 21 inch. We're going to make some poofs with it. So we're going to go around the inside. All right. We're going to go about 10 inches. So just 10-inch poofs. Well, if I run out of this one, I have a yellow. We'll add some yellow in there. All right, got this nice and tight. We're gonna cut this off. Y'all, I'm gonna use this sign, the well sheet. What are y'all doing? I'm gonna use 2 different deco mesh. So on this frame, we're gonna need 8 pieces at 30 inches and then 8 pieces at 20 inches. All right, let's cut our 8 at 30. All right, so there's our 8 at 30. Now we're gonna do 8 at 20. All right, there's all our cuts. Let's do our 30-inch ruffles all the way around the outside. All right, so we're gonna take our 30-inch piece. We're gonna roll the ends just a little bit. Then we're gonna scrunch it right down the middle to get a messy little ruffle. And then we're gonna add this in every twist tie around the outside. All right, gonna go to my next color. Gonna scrunch it up and add one of our messy ruffles to the outside. Y'all, make sure you get that pipe cleaner nice and tight when you tie that mesh in. All right, we're gonna go all the way around. Y'all, make sure you, whenever you're doing your mesh, make sure you cut it long enough to curl your edges. That's how you hide the fray. So we did 10-inch poofs around the inside, 30-inch ruffles on the outside. All right. That's where you are so far. All right, so now we're gonna take our 20-inch mesh and we're gonna make ruffles around the inside. Same thing, curl the ends, messy ruffle, add them into your pipe cleaner. Make sure you get it nice and tight. All right, let's get our sticky mounts on our sign. Here's our mounting squares. All right, we're gonna put a little dab of super glue on the 4 corners. Y'all, whenever you glue these in, make sure you use either an epoxy or a permanent super glue. If you're asking how many ruffles, you need as many ruffles as you have pipe cleaners. So it depends on what kind of frame you use. We're gonna get our pipe cleaners. We're gonna run it right through our mounting square. The pipe cleaners are 10 inches. All right, we're gonna let this sit off to the side and let that super glue cure just a little while. While we wait, we're gonna make our bow. We're gonna use our easy bow maker. We're gonna measure out about a 14-inch tail. We're gonna give it a good pinch. Twist it. All right, so our colorful side is up on the tail. Ugly side up. Measure out about 7 inches. All right, so y'all, we're just gonna make an X and we're gonna keep making it over and over again. My loops are just gonna get a little bit smaller. All right, now I'm gonna grab a 20-inch pipe cleaner, grab a 20-inch pipe cleaner, fold it in half, give it a twist. All right, we got our bow done. Let's find our wreath base. All right, our bow's gonna go right here. Our sign is ready. Y'all, I'm gonna add my sign right down here in this corner. So I'm just running the pipe cleaner down through the board. All right. So I like to attach one corner, then go directly across to the opposite side. On the back side, all I'm doing is running that pipe cleaner through a hole and then tying it off. All right, y'all, now that we've got these two corners added, I want to look at it and make sure the sign is where I want it before we go to these two. All right, before you secure your last corner, make sure your sign is where it needs to be. All right, we're gonna add our bow up here to the top corner. Y'all, and our bow is just gonna go right around the frame or through the holes in the frame, whichever one you can do. All right, we're gonna get this tied off. We can dovetail our bows, or our ribbon tails on our bows. Y'all, now we just need to add some ribbon tails to our wreath. So there were 8 around the base. We're just going to wrap our ribbon right around the board 8 times. All right, so you got our 14-inch tails. I've got a 4-inch ribbon and a 1.5. Gonna just layer the two, fold it in half. Give it a good pinch. Then we're gonna add this little bow tie to all of the pipe cleaners around the outside edge. After you add your ribbon, you can trim them down if you want. So that's what we want it to look like, and we're just gonna go all the way around. Yeah, 4-inch ribbon tails really make your wreath look nice and full. All right, then just figure out where your top is and add yourself a pipe cleaner to hang it from. All right, we've got our door hanger on here. All it is a pipe cleaner through one of the holes on the back. We are going to cut off any excess pipe cleaner we have back here. And just tuck that back in. And that's it, y'all. Good night, y'all.